Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover the cut and the sort commands. So the cut command is used to display only certain fields within a file. So use -F to specify the fields that you want. Use -D to specify the delimiter that you want to use. And use -S if you don't want to contain lines that don't have the delimiters. Now the sort command is used to sort data. So -U is a unique sort, -R is a reverse sort, -N is a numeric sort, -H is human readable, so 2K, 1M, 1G, etc. -M is a month sort, so you got Jan, November, December, whatever, so 3-letter months. And -K is a key sort. You can think of it as the same as a column or a field. And I will now show you these in action. Okay, so if we tail etc password, for example, you can see that it is delimited by the colon. So if we were to cut -D on colon, we want field 1, for example, so we want the usernames. Whoops, I didn't specify the file. So it will be etc password. You can see that we have now cut out the first column of that output. Now, if we wanted to sort this data, we could run it through sort and then put it into less, and you can see now that it's in alphabetical order. So we've got the A's, then the B's, D, F, G, and we can continue all the way through, and we've got V at the very end. So by combining these commands we can do quite a lot, but if we tail the password file again, maybe we wanted to have more than just the first field. So maybe we want to have field 1 for the username. We want field 3 for the user ID. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's do a shorter one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we want the shell that the user uses, so we want fields 1, 3, and 7. We can see that it's still sorted alphabetically, but now we're getting the user ID and the shell that they use. So the cut command can be used in conjunction with less, and it is a very useful command. But what we can also do is, if we wanted to, not necessarily cat, but any program output, we want to filter it, we can use cut. So let's do etc password again. So then that information has been piped into it. So it doesn't have to be cat, it could be any program. Now, what I want to also do is show you some of the specifics of, let me just do an ls, jog my memory of what I've created. Okay, so I've got a cut-s file here for you. So if we cut.s, you can see that it's a comma delimited file, but it has a header in it. So what we could do is we could use cut-s, and we want fields, say 1 and 3, and the delimiter is a comma in this example, and if we press whoops, file. So now you can see that it's not showing the first pound symbol. If we remove the -s, it shows the header. Now, even if we were only interested in the surname, so we go 2 and 3, it still shows that header, even though it's not in the second or third column. So the -s would essentially ensure that if it doesn't have the delimiters, it's not shown. So that's cut -s. I've shown you -d and -f. Now, for the, just having a look through here, thinking, let's do an ls again. So I've got a sort -h. So let's cut sort -h. And you can see in here, I've just simulated file sizes. So let's say you want to sort these human readable and sort -h. Now you can see that it's 100 kilobytes, 1 megabyte, 10 megabyte, 15 megabyte, and you can see that it's going through there quite nicely. Now, if we wanted to reverse order sort it, we could do the -r, and now you can see that it's showing us the biggest files first. So you can sort based on that. Now, the other option I wanted to show you was the -m. So if we cat sort -m, you can see that I've got these months at the start. So let's say we wanted to filter on the months. We go sort and -M and the file. So sort -m.txt. Now you can see that we've got January, March, November, December. Now, if we wanted to, we could combine it with a reverse order sort. So now we've got December 1st, November, March, January. So that is a fairly solid overview of cut and sort. And you can obviously, if I go back through here, you can obviously combine cut with sort like I did here. So if you might want to cut certain fields, then sort it with any of the options that I've just shown you. So that's something that you can really play around with and get used to using. You'd use it with scripting, but a lot of the time as you become more advanced, you'll probably would just use sed and awk to do this sort of stuff, because they're much more powerful commands. But for basic things, cut and sort are very useful, and if you use them, then they'll become second nature to you. Okay.